Hi guys, welcome back to my scrap space, otherwise known as my messy desk. It just continues to get messy. I do sometimes clean things up in between projects, but maybe not as thoroughly as I should. Anyways, I hope everybody has had a happy new year, and today I was asked by a friend to chat about some pockets. So I've previously done a video on these 4-way pockets that I learned how to make on the Paper Outposts YouTube channel. So if you haven't checked out Pam, go do it. She'll keep you laughing and creating all at the same time, and she's got all kinds of great ideas. So pockets for altered books and junk journals can really be made out of anything, and there's so many different ways to make them. It's amazing. These ones are the 4-way pockets that I did before, and I called it a 4-way pocket because there's so many different tuck spots. You can put something here and here and here and back here, and then depending on how you glue it, if you were to just glue, you know, 2 strips of glue here, you could even have a tuck spot here. So tuck spots and pockets, they're kind of the same thing. It all just depends on how you glue it into your book. So another great channel to check out if you haven't already is Ferrago. In August this last year, she created a 3 in 15 series, and the idea was that you would work on 3 little projects that took about 15 minutes that were all holiday or one theme inspired. And the goal was that by the time you got to December, when holiday time was there, you would have all these great pieces to work on or to have for a journal. I didn't take part in the whole challenge because I found out about it late, but I thought really it was never too late because the techniques that she was teaching were really great. A lot of great pockets. These were made out of just junk mail, literally letters in the mail. I had some plain ones here yet. So these return envelopes that you get in the mail, these are prime pockets, and they're free. So don't throw those away. Hang on to them. You can do all kinds of great pockets with them. And this one is really cool. You can see it was folded right here and then cut this way. And it's a double pocket right there. So you can put something here or here. And then it, of course, opens right here. So that's a pocket too. And then depending on how you were to glue it, even though this side is a pocket, you could still make it a tuck spot up here as well, or over here. So how you glue things in really decides how many pockets and tuck spots that you have. This is another one. There was at least 6 in the first few videos of hers that she made that were really great. And this one was cool because you can keep it as like a flip up, so it's like a little private journal spot, or you can glue it like right here and have a little tuck spot here and back here. And then of course this one I didn't leave open over here, but you could, and then you'd have a tuck spot where the window is, or back here. So lots of ideas with junk mail. I see so many great pockets and folds. If you're not very good at folding and so forth like that, you don't have to fold. This is my Marshflower Journal that I've been working on. So this one here is just glued. So I just cut it to the same size, and it's glued here and here and then down the side, and it creates a pocket as well. And then this is just a half of a circle punch. So I've done the same thing here. On the inside, as you're creating your journals, you can decide, depending on the layout of your papers, how you're going to do them. So this one, for instance, was 1 page altogether, and I really liked the idea that I used on another page. So I was going to do it again right there. Let's see if I can find the page that's already done. Yes, right here. So I just ripped the page in half. This one I glued here and here, and then it's a pocket. Oh, no, I didn't. Where did I glue it? Maybe it's just stuck. There we go. Yeah. So this one's a pocket here. And then this one I glued on these 2 sides so that it's a pocket up here like this. So that one, there's no folding involved. I simply just tore out pages. And if you don't even have any pages to tear, you could just glue this on. So you would glue here and here and here, and then you'd have a tuck spot. And glue here and here and here. So you're basically just gluing in a U, however which way you want your pocket to go. So those are some ideas. And then when I've been working in altered books, I kind of do the pockets in a variety of ways as well. This one is a Disney one I've been working on. I'll show you some of the pockets that I had here. So this one, I took this piece of patterned paper and I glued around in a U so that we have a pocket up here. It'd be a great place to put some of the cute little mementos that you get from Disneyland when it's open and you can go. And I could have made this a tuck spot too. So you know, glue here and here and it's a pocket, but I left it there for a photo mat or some journaling. Kind of one of the toss-ups you have to decide when you're making books is what's going to be a pocket or a tuck spot and what's going to be for something else like journaling or photos. So when I'm doing my altered books, I start planning. I think I have another video that shows how to do some of these altered books, but I start the planning and I'll fold my pockets. This one I just glued here and here and folded this down. And there's a lot of different ways to fold these too. I know some people fold this back up and then you've got an extra tuck spot here and here, extra little pockets. This one is a flap, so it's not really a pocket, but it could have been a pocket. Let's see. This one is a pocket right here. So just this little added piece of patterned paper made a pocket right there. And pockets can be any size that you want. It just depends on what you want to put in them. And if you don't know what you want to put in them, no worries. Just make the pocket and it will happen. You'll find some piece of ephemera or tag or something great to put in there. And even if it's tiny, it can hang like a little paper clip. This one is folded down. I use some little eyelets here just for decoration. And that's a pocket. And this book is not yet finished, so some of the pockets are still just in the planning. So this one, I think I'm gonna have to do a fold out page. This one is a pocket here on this side because of the way that I glued this photo mat down. And then this page on the other side is also a pocket because I glued two of the pages together and you just glue down the side here. And this is another side pocket. So a pocket up here. You can fold this side up and have a pocket this way too. All kinds of different ways to fold these and make pockets. Let's see. So this one is folded this way, and if you check out my travel journal flip through that I did, it was an altered book, you can see it more finished, but I put some little brads here and glued down the side, and then you have a pocket right here, and you also have a tuck spot over here. So that's kind of fun. And like I said, you can fold these up and make a pocket like this. I know some people make these flip up like this, and then you have like secret journaling, or they'll put it's like two triangles and a piece of it just flips up. I've got pockets at the top of the page. So to do that, you just glue down here and here, and then you have a pocket up here, and it runs the full length of the page. And then there's some other really great ways you can do pockets too. Like if you just have a piece of paper, you can just glue down the sides of the paper, and that will leave a pocket at the top. You can glue, like if you have die cuts, you can glue those down. Like this could even make a pocket. You could just glue right here, and then it would be a pocket up here, like a little pouch. This piece right here where it's smaller could make a pocket. And we could make it be at the top if we glued down here and at the bottom, or it could be here. And see how this is kind of like tiered? So we could glue here and here to this page. So that would make a pocket right here. And then we could take this piece of book page and glue here and here to this one. And we would have another pocket right there. And of course you can do this flip-flop here like I did. You can leave these long and glue down the sides. You could even tear it like this, and then you'd have a top pocket. Or if you glued it this way, you could have that side pocket. So like this piece of paper here, if we just glued the sides right here, we could still tuck something in up there, like a small tag or, you know, a little decorated paper clip or something. This one is a pocket, so it's glued again here at the top and the bottom. And this is just a little pouch. It's a banner that was made twice as long and folded in half and then glued. And then you can glue it onto the page, and it's a pocket as well. It's like a little sleeve. So, and something like this could be made into a pocket depending on how you glue it. If you just glue the side and the bottom in an L shape, it makes a pocket, like, well, more of a tuck spot, because you can tuck something in behind it here. You can glue all three sides, and then you could have it at the top. Something like this you could make into a pocket, a little tag. You could just glue down the sides, or when you're gluing it in, you could glue like this top piece and then the bottom and one or the other sides, and you would have like a little tuck spot here or here. This one I'm kind of leaving on here. That's another thing too, little envelopes and coin envelopes. If you're not somebody who wants to do all the folding, you can just glue it right onto your page, and then the opening becomes your pocket. So it's just a glued down envelope. So lots of ways to do pockets, you guys. Don't let anything like hinder your creativity. Just get out there and try whatever it is that you think would work. Little scraps of paper like this, you can glue down the side and this side, and it creates a cool tuck spot. Yeah, like I said, envelopes, tags, anything. This was just a long strip of paper, and I snipped and snipped and then glued the sides, and it's a little sleeve. Your junk mail envelopes, there's so many ways. Dee Ferrago has some really great ideas. I went through some of the videos and was taking notes. There's at least 6 of them that I wanted to do. So check out her channel, and check out Pam at the Paper Outpost, because she makes some really great ones. She did a 3-tiered little tuck pocket thing just recently. I watched that one. That was really good, and it was pretty easy to do. She makes it look really easy. So and her videos are easy to follow. That's how I made these great little pockets as well. So these are the pockets that you glue in. This is the kind of thing that you glue in, and then some of them you just make right out of the pages that are in there. So get creative. Start folding up those flaps. You can make a little pocket here or here. You know, fold your pages in half and make some pockets. And they're kind of like adding little envelopes every which way. And don't forget to do that too. Like a lot of the envelopes will have this little adhesive spot, and you can stick that adhesive in here, and then you'll have a pocket right there, just like we made for this envelope journal. So you can cut this in half and stick it down, then you'd have a half pocket with a little flip like this. So many possibilities. Watch for all sizes of envelopes and all sizes of paper. You can do little, you know, just little squares or little. There was one video I saw, she used circles and she made this really cool pocket too. I can't remember who it was now. If I remember, I'll try to find it in the next video. But yeah, check out what's available on YouTube and get crafty, and let me know in the comments down below your favorite kind of pockets to make. If you liked this video or found some value in it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, we'd love to have you here as part of the Frapps and Scraps subscriber group. And stay tuned for the next video, you guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.